Well, this is what happens, and then they fight, and then they get taken away by their grams. Okay, back to physics. So I have a really nice example here of simple harmonic motion. A basic lab spring. This is actually one of the springs which has been overextended, as you might be able to tell. That actually is its relaxed length right there. I'm going to calibrate this with the mass hanging just at equilibrium. And once again we have the force sensor. I put it on 10 newtons. Let's recalibrate. Let's see. Zero that out. Okay. There's some bouncing back and forth, so it's not perfect, but at least it's zeroed out. And I'm going to change the duration to, and I apologize, I know you can't see this as well as I can, 60 seconds. Okay. Okay. And we're going to look at the graph. And what we'll do with this graph is I will actually run it. Okay. And we should be able to see some periodic motion, some sinusoidal motion based on this force. So in other words, as it's going down, the graph should be higher, and as it's coming back up, the graph should be lower. And since I've zeroed it out, it should go around that 0 mark. We'll see. So, collect. Time is running. I'm going to lift it up to its unstretched distance, and simple harmonic motion. A little bit of back and forth. It's not perfect. But you can actually see, there we go. You can actually see it going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. And it is balanced out around that 0 mark, which is very nice. I'm glad it turned out well. And we don't need to see the full 10 seconds. But we can actually zoom in and see the sinusoidal wave, that simple harmonic motion that's up and down. Let's go ahead and stop it. Select it. Where's the zoom button on this thing? Zoom in. Getting a little clearer there. Yeah. I'll put my lab stand up. Okay. Let's zoom in a little further. Yeah, you can definitely see nice sinusoid, nice up and down. Zoom in on just a couple of these. Oops, I zoomed out. There we go. A beautiful up and down motion. And again, this is just force versus time. It's very simple harmonic motion, as they say.